Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Charger GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth performance seats, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, black top package included, gloss black badges wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted gloss black IP cluster trim rings satin black Charger decklet badge black one-piece performance spoiler, octane red pearl coat, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 black noise painted, quick order package 29H included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, tires, P245/45 ZR20 AS performance, STD, and engine, 3.6L V6